In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to unblock someone in League of Legends. If you've ever blocked a player and later decided to give them another chance, or you just want to tidy up your list, this is quick and easy to do right from the League client. Start by logging into your League of Legends client. Make sure you're on the account where the block actually happened, since block lists are tied to each account and region. Once you're in the client, look to the top right corner of the window. You'll see a small gear icon, which is the Settings button. Go ahead and click that. It's the same place you'd go to adjust things like audio, notifications, or client behavior, so it should feel familiar. When the Settings panel opens, you'll find a section dedicated to your block list. Depending on your client version, it may appear under a Privacy or General tab, but it will be clearly labeled as the block list. Open that, and you'll see a list of the players you've blocked in the past. This page is helpful because it shows you exactly who's blocked and gives you control to manage those names without hunting through menus. To unblock someone, simply click on the player's name in that list. In most cases, you'll either click the name directly or select an unblock option that appears next to it. If you get a confirmation prompt, confirm your choice. That's it. The player is now unblocked. They'll be able to message you again, send friend requests, and invite you to parties or games, just like any other player who isn't blocked. A couple of quick notes to keep in mind. Unblocking doesn't automatically add the person to your friends list. So if you want to reconnect, you'll still need to accept or send a friend request. Also, if you just want a quieter game without fully blocking someone, remember you can mute players in a match without changing your block list. That way, you keep your options open while avoiding unwanted chat during gameplay. If your block list looks empty, it likely means you haven't blocked anyone on this account. And if you don't immediately see the name you're looking for, double check that you're signed into the right region or account where the block happened. To recap, log in, click the gear icon at the top right, open the block list section, and click the player you want to unblock. Simple, fast, and you're done. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your next game.